Alrighty, guys, listen. This rally that we're seeing in the stock market today, on top of the rally we saw yesterday, ahead of the CPI number coming out tomorrow, this rally is getting me a little bit, I don't want to say nervous, I'm freaking out, oh, the sky's falling. It's nothing like that, but I'm a little bit... I'm kind of being cautious, right? And we got to break down in this video whether or not this rally is legit. Is it a bull trap? We're going to break down some stocks that I'm looking at right now and my thoughts and kind of what I'm doing ahead of this CPI data release tomorrow morning. So if you all find value, hit the like button, subscribe, join my Patreon, link down below, and you guys could also get 5 stocks from Moomoo with a $100 deposit. That's also linked down below. And with that being said, let's talk. So right now, it's currently about 10:24 a.m. on the East Coast. Markets opened up a little bit under an hour ago, and as of now, we have the S&P up over 1%, Nasdaq's up about 1% as well, the Russell's up 1.4%, and we have the Dow up 0.7% as the VIX is down about 3%. So volatility's coming down a bit today. We have the metals pretty much at break even, and we have the S&P, the Dow, the stock markets, right? The indexes. These are all moving up. And what I'm noticing is both SPY, which SPY tracks the S&P 500, and Triple Q, which tracks the Nasdaq 100, both of these ETFs are approaching critical resistances, right? SPY's at right around the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart, right? That was resistance. It's been resistance throughout this entire sell-off pretty much over the past month. So that's resistance number one. And SPY is right by the highs from last week, being around 456 to 457. So that's pretty worrisome, guys. And one thing that's good, I guess, for the bulls in the short term is the fact that we are breaking out of the wedge on this 20-day chart, but that doesn't mean much considering, again, going back to that 4-hour chart, we're still under a main moving average and we're under the high from last week. So that makes me a little bit nervous, guys. I'm not going to lie. That makes me believe that this could be a bull trap ahead of this CPI data release tomorrow morning. And the number is probably baked in. And in terms of the number, I mean, the CPI data for January is probably already baked in to the stock market right now. As you guys know, the stock market is a forward-looking vehicle. It tries to price things in. So that's priced in most likely. You know, I think the estimate right now is about a 7.3% number, annualized number that's going to come out tomorrow. Roughly, that's the estimate that I've been seeing. But let me tell you, if the estimate or if the actual number is hotter than the estimate, if inflation's hotter than the estimate, this could easily tank. This stock rally that we've seen the past week, whatever, however long we've seen it, this could easily tank and reverse, and this rally could be a bull trap. It very well could be. And the same's true on the other side of the coin, right? Let's say inflation's not that bad. Let's say it comes in cooler than expected, which I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's probably going to come in line with the estimates, maybe hotter than expected. But let's say somehow the slim chance of it coming in cooler than expected, maybe the rally continues at that point. And if we break the 4-hour 180 SMA, this rally might have legs to it. Who the heck knows, right? And it's the same thing with Triple Q. Let me show you guys Triple Q. Triple Q is right under the 180 SMA. We're trading well under the highs from last week. The highs from last week were about 372. Now we're at 363. So we're under 2 big points of resistance on the 4-hour. And if I pull up the 20-day chart, you guys can see we're still in this wedge. Unlike SPY, which is trying to break out, it is breaking out on the 20-day chart, but it's getting rejected on the 4-hour chart. SPY is, but Triple Q, it's getting rejected all around, all across the board. You know, on the 4-hour chart, it's struggling on this 20-day chart. So I'm not convinced that this is breaking out, technically speaking, because it's not. It's not doing it yet, even though we are seeing volatility down and the markets overall doing well today. So what do you guys think? Drop me a comment about that. Do you think this rally is legit? I don't really think it is quite yet, to be honest. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree with me? Disagree with me? Make sure to hit the like button if you guys are finding value. That really helps me out. And subscribe if you want to see further content from me. Now let's talk about some stocks that are moving today. It seems like a lot of smaller cap stocks are moving today, guys. Tattooed Chef is up 4.5%. You guys can see the nice move on the 20-day chart, but on the 4-hour chart, what else is new? This thing is still well on a downtrend, well within the downtrend. It is moving above the 50 SMA, but it's under the 180 SMA. So this rally might not have much more. It might go maybe 13, 14 bucks. That could be stretching it. But at that point, I think there's going to be selling pressure. Same thing with DraftKings. DraftKings is moving up right now. It's up about 4.2% on the day. It's starting to look good on the 5-day chart. It's breaking out, right? 10-day chart, it's starting to break out a little bit, but on the 4-hour chart, like Tattooed Chef, this is well within the downtrend. It's a little bit above the 50 SMA, but still under the highs from last week, a week or two ago, right? And it's under the 180 moving average. And we do have earnings coming up for DraftKings on the 18th. So what's that? 9 days from now. So that's not, I think that's next Friday, not this Friday, but next Friday. DraftKings is reporting, so that should be exciting. We have SoFi up about 4.2% today. So it's really all we're seeing today, guys. We're seeing a nice pop in these small caps, right? And we have big tech kind of coasting. Some of them are doing more than coasting. Big tech names. Google's up 1.8%. Nvidia's up 2%. We have Microsoft up 1%. Tesla's up 0.7%. Where's Apple at? Apple's got to be up. Apple's up 0.5%. So we are having a pretty solid day out there. Literally all my stocks are green on my watch list, that is, other than Voyager Digital. No joke. Every one other than Voyager Digital is green right now. So, yeah, I mean, what do you guys think about this? I don't know. I mean, this thing could easily be a bull trap. I'm going to set my alerts here. Let me do that before I end off this video. Let me do that. Let's put one on SPY. Mark is at or above. We'll do 457 for now. Maybe 457.50. Let's do that. Mark is at or above 457.50. For triple Q, I'm going to do, well, I already have one on triple Q at $365. We'll keep that in place. If that breaks, there could be some legs to this rally, but we're not doing it yet, and I'm not too convinced that we're just going to magically start breaking out ahead of this CPI data release again, unless it comes in, the inflation comes in cooler than expected. So in terms of what I'm doing, guys, I'm kind of playing it safe here. I'm not doing anything crazy. I do have some open covered call positions on, I think, DraftKings, Snapchat, Intel, and what's the other one? Tattooed Chef. So I might close the Snapchat ones today. I might close those covered calls. I'm up about 80-90% on those right now. Might as well close those ahead of Friday just to play it safe. Tattooed Chef, I'm probably up 50-60% on those. You know, DraftKings, I'm also up. You know, I might close that out. I think I sold the 25.50s on DraftKings, $25.50 for February 11th. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. All you guys in my Patreon know all my moves. So if you're in the Patreon, make sure to watch out for that. If you're not in it and you want to join it, now's a good time to join it. We're early in the month. You might as well check it out. It's linked down below. You get all my buys, sells, call outs. You get morning update videos every day. And you get Discord access, direct access to me throughout the day. That's on Patreon. Go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon, or you guys can go down below to join and get yourself some free money. 5 stocks from Moomoo. Use my link, deposit $100, and you could get up to 5 stocks, each of which could be valued up to $3,500. Get your free stocks from Moomoo, link down below. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.